Bangalore. I see a lot of videos on leopards coming and taking dogs from the houses.
Yes, yes. Yeah, today, welcome back, guys. This is for again same session. So I want to you to show every time same thing, because this is like we have to revision like every single week same thing. Then only you can learn better. Correct. So again, I'll show the candles. So because last Tuesday, who joined new guys, I told them next session will be the candle. We have only 8 candles. So they like, you think like only we have 4 candles for long positions, another 4 are for short positions. So the candle, what we are looking here, I'll show you. I'll just remove this. So what, like now what I'm showing, those candles will work near support or resistance, means supply or demand. So we won't look any those candles. If you are seeing somewhere here, we are not considering that this here, somewhere here. So what candles we are talking now, it should be nearby here or somewhere here. Understood, right? It should be, if you, this candle can be considered because it's very near, right? It's very near, so we can try this candle here in this position. It should not be somewhere here, because your stop loss, like we cannot keep our stop loss so like so
Are
long,
you
right?
saying anything or?
I'm sorry.
Mute up next people because Pramod gets.
I'm sorry, I just kept all mute. Yeah, please. Yeah, so what, you can listen me, right?
Yes, Pramod, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I
So
didn't hear you. Yeah, sorry.
yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, what candles we are talking. So first I want to be very clear that you should not be get confused that uh, I'm getting confirmation somewhere here. It will be very risky, so I don't recommend that. So it should be very near to support or resistance. Okay. Yeah. For long positions, we need candlestick pattern to confirm the trade. If market is coming from like assume that market is coming somewhere from R1 near trend X, daily trend X, so we should wait to confirmation. Always I'll be like telling you wait for confirmation, because the candlestick will tell you that whether market is going up or no. The bullish candle, there are many candles that I have selected some 4 candles that I usually see many times in the market, so I choose these candles. Like this is bullish engulfing, you heard this before, I know. Like this candle you can see not many times, but especially some event or some good US session, on the on those session you will see these candles. Assume that market is coming down, did this here. Okay, if market is coming, you can see here. So market was coming down from here, we got this bullish engulfing, so market went up. So these candles what I'm showing you, you should look only in long positions. Now what this chart we are seeing, this is completely, we are below the weekly, so we look only short positions. So we don't look any candles for bullish here. We look same thing in reverse. I mean, we look bearish engulfing or evening star, those candles we look for a short, because we are below the weekly, we follow the only trend. So last week what we was talking same thing. So this is bullish engulfing. So market, like if it's coming, like you can see red candles here, suddenly nearby support, if you see this candle, it will be in this way. You'll see red candle and it will be big, like bigger than before that. You can see, you have to take your trade after closing the candle, and your stop loss below this candle. You measure that. It's, if it's very big candle, then you have to take small trade. It should not be big. If you see any, like, okay, good, like I'll show you, like in this way. See, some candle will be very like huge bullish. Now this engulf is very, like, you can see it's too big, right? If you take the trade here, and stop loss will be very big. So in this case, what I do, I don't take big trades, I go for a small trades. Because if next candle is coming back, then I can add more. But I know you cannot add other trades in crypto, but no problem, you can take small trade here. We know that in especially narrow market will be the volatile. So in this way, we have to see the candles when market will be will be near support. When every day you should look only long positions when we are above the weekly. So this candle will help you when market is coming near support. You have to be very careful that you have to see what candlestick pattern I am seeing here. It may be uh, four of in this. I will show you which are there. See, this is bullish, it will be in this way. The candle size, you when you will see in this size, you just take your trade. Your stop loss will be very small. They mentioned, yeah, you can see they mentioned very clearly, you have to enter after closing this candle. The stop loss will be below this. Okay, this candle you can see in real market when you will be in trading. You can see those candles. And second candle is this morning star. So trust me, I will be telling this candle I see many times, especially in, like, in better good session. We have session in market, right? We cannot, like, every time we cannot take the trades. The particular session, there will be the session like New York, Asian, UK session. These session will be very volatile. So on this, those session market is coming, if assume that market is coming from like R1, you are looking long from trend X, suddenly it will be drop, and you wait for 2 3 candles to see. When you will see these candle, you will get immediately trade. So you go for a long. The candle should be in this way. See, this is complete zone. Okay, you should not, if you see the doji, you should not take the trade. Doji, after this doji, this candle should be closed. That green candle, which this candle you can see, right? This candle, it should be closed. After then only you can take the trade. So your stop loss below this candle, the doji candle. So this is morning star. This market will take you the uh, take TP. Trust me, this candle, this, what this candles, why I'm teaching these candles, your trade will be so accuracy with small stop loss. You will be the, like, see, assume that you are taking the trade, you will be the either top or bottom. Your trade will be at, like, I'll show you. See this, I'll show you morning, like, it here we no confirmation, but rejected, and red candles coming down. So again same place it came again. Here we have some other candles, but I don't want to discuss here. Again it came here. Finally we got evening star. This is the candle what I'm showing you. So here, if you're taking the trade, you should not keep your stop loss here. It will be very, like, I'll keep somewhere above this, the recent high. I don't keep so big, because if market is coming till here, market is come, it can take your stop loss and it can come back, right? So better I'll keep my stop loss small. See, this is evening star, market reverse. The same thing, if I see somewhere evening star here, I don't believe that, because I need very near to nearby support or resistance. So I'll be keep on watching what is happening in market. See, whenever, if you see these kind of, like, assume that market is taking resistance from here, it's coming back again, it's coming. If it's break here, then market will take this resistance and it will fall. Here in here you can see there is no low. It made one low and started playing in this. So finally we got here and it came down. So this is, if you're not taking trade here, you can take here, but it will be definitely it will be risky. So what will happen in price action? So if candle will close here, sometimes what will happen, it will go back, it will fall from here, it will take your SL and it will fall from this place, because after break of structure in smart money, after break of structure, market will go near supply, correct? So you can try from here, not a problem, you can try, you take small trade, like it should be, if it's SL hit then no problem, it should be very small, but you can try here. But personally I definitely take the trade when I see this situation, because candle candle will give the confirmation. This you can see candle size is very big, right? Like we have very good volume. So this you can see, these candles are like can push without retest. If small candle if you see, then it can be reverse. But in this situation, if I see red candle, immediately I'll take the short. But I try to take near R1 or PDH. Always it will come from there only. Market if is going back next day, it will come from there. You can go and back test. It's happening every day, single day, same thing. What if suppose if it's not happening in BTC, in other pair it's happening, means every time you will see these situations only. If market is crossing this and closing here, then it will go up. Simple. So next day you will get trade, not today, next day. So morning I posted one SKULSD. What I told, don't look any. We are not looking any short position. See what happened, market. It went because I thought to give short in that. I'll show this trade. So I told we are not looking any short in this. It went because I like I was knowing yesterday I saw in 1 hour. Yesterday it was making higher high in 5 minutes. So in that, for that case, I told no, we are not looking any short position today. You can see, right? You can see this highs. So when it will break one low, then only it will be confirmed that market will drop. So before I post chart, I look many things in that, then only I'll post those charts. Okay, we'll come back here. Okay, this candle, please, you always remember this candle is very, very important. You will be seeing in the market, you don't need to think like too many candles. Always when it come near your zone, you know that you want to take short today in BTC. If it's coming near R1, I'll wait for when it will come near R1. You have to see only 4 candles, that's it. One is engulf, for I'm short, I'm telling for bearish engulf, and sorry, again it will be confusion. I'll go for a long. If you're looking for a long in BTC, you have to look only these candles what I'm showing. Okay, this bullish engulf or morning star, and next candle is this hammer, bullish hammer. Same thing you can see many times. You can see this candle, this all what candle I'm showing you here, it should be near support only, trend X or near support. So last week I told you we have only 2 opportunity to look long, either S1 PDL or above the X, daily X. About daily X, and one more thing I want to tell you. See, if market is 1 second. So this assume that if market is coming from here, this is not engulf to take trade. You remember, okay? If market is not going here, then you can consider this. This is engulf, but what I'm teaching you, you should be near support or resistance, right? Here we'll consider this is evening star. If evening star, this is evening star, but according to the trend X, it should be near resistance. Okay, this and bullish hammer, it should be near support. You'll see in this type market will be coming down when it come near trend X or S1. If you see this candle go, immediately take the trade. They showed very nice, you can see they are what they are showing. After second candle, after closing that, you can take the trade, correct? But we have confirmation like trend X. So I'll tell after closing this candle, you can take very small. Sometimes sometimes what will happen, second candle will be very big. So our stop loss will be like our stop loss, even it will be very big. So when you will see this near S1, just take if you see this candle, take the trade, keep your stop loss below this. And you know that below this we have S1. This is S1, so you can take the trade, and we are above the weekly. And fourth candle is dragon doji fly. This dragon fly, what will happen? So when market will come down, it will make 2-3 candles, like undecision candles. It can be 3 dojis. Only this happens when market will be more volatile. You want to look long positions, and market will be the volatile on that particular time. 3-4 candles you will be the seeing. So last candle you see before going long, it will be some doji. The wick will be very big. Let it be red or green. So immediately you have to take the trade. It should be near support or trend X. It happens only when market will be more volatile. It will be more volatile. It will be like dropping. It will be dropping from R1, and it will come near trend X, and it will start ranging there 1, 2, 3 candles or 4 candles. Suddenly you will get one drop, and immediately that red candle it will become in green, and it will close in doji. So what people with like other they liquidity sweep. This is the candle. In this way it will be. So just go for the trade, keep your stop loss. See, all this should be near support. You just please remember that. All this should be here or here. Then only you will get confirmation. So you can I'll show you. So this is you can see this candle, right? So you know that when market start ranging, you have to you see all bodies. So you can see, don't consider wick here. You just keep your this body last candle near support. Correct. And you can see we have morning star here. Again it came back. We got this dragonfly doji. So this candle you take. See, before this, we don't have any closing below this zone. Correct? We don't have any closing here. So when you see these type of candle, you have to mark this, and you have to see any confirmation here. Sometimes it will not come here, because already we got one touch and go, right? This is touch and go. So again it's coming back, and it's giving you confirmation. If you're taking the trade here, again it's coming back. See, finally we got this dragonfly doji and started going. See, this is dragon doji, but in middle, in center, we cannot take the trade. It should be very near to support, then only it will fly. You whenever you see the support, when it will come near support, just wait. Definitely before pumping you will get one signal that candle will show you that market is going up now. So in this case, what particular I am showing this chart, this is downtrend. So I'll show you the short position where all we got for short opportunities with candlestick. Okay, this is for a bullish, now bearish, I mean for a short positions. Same thing what I told you for a long position. This is for bearish engulfing. It will be in this way. On the top near, when market will reach previous day high or resistance, it will be in this candle. If you see, just go for a short, keep your stop loss above, let it go. Little you can see these candles. Okay, same thing what I showed you for bullish, this is for a bearish. Same thing I showed you morning star, here evening star, same opposite. You will see one green candle, and you will see one doji, and immediately you will see one red candle. So your trade will below this red candle, keep your stop loss above this, and it should be near resistance or previous day high. This is shooting star. market will be traveling near support, sorry, resistance. You will see this kind of, suddenly when it reach there near previous day high, you will see this doji. If market give one small wick below also, I mean, if you can see very big wick, and if you see small wick, that is here you can see this. If you see this even here, that is called inverted hammer. So both candle will take you down. It market will go down. It should be near resistance. This, if you see small wick, it means this is that is inverted hammer. I'll show you in real market. You will understand what which is inverted hammer. So this what candle, like I'm showing you here, this is only for 5 minutes trades, because we are looking in weekly, but we are trading in 5 minutes every day, correct? So we need 5 minutes candle or this pattern, because we should be earlier in market. We are not seeing here 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, this one, and last one, gravestone doji, same like what I showed there. It will be in reverse. When it will come near resistance, you can see this candle. It can be red or green. It will sweep all liquidity. It will be in this way. Immediately take short position and keep your stop loss above, and again it should be near resistance. This I'll share, this candlestick I'll share in group. You can download this. You start reading this. It's only 4 candles for bullish, 4 candles for bearish.
Pramod.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Naka against USDT. I think there are great possibilities. No. If you take a look at it, you can see the hammer a lot of times near resistance.
Okay.
Near support.
Okay.
So maybe you can take a look at that, and everybody can understand how it works.
BTC, sir.
Nakamoto. Naka.
1 second, sir.
N for Nigeria, A for Apple, K
Just
for
1
King.
second. Please tell me 1 second, sir.
N for Nigeria, A for Apple, K for King, A for Apple.
Okay, USDT. Right? USDT.
Yeah. Nakamoto.
.P. Correct? I can take this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, this is like all liquidity sweep, and we can see here, right, sir? You was right. And you can see here, sir. So previous like in previous session, I told it'll it'll cross support, and it'll close the candle. So many times I told, see, this is that what I was telling. So you feel that it's crossing and it will go down, suddenly it will close above the support. You can see this is dragonfly doji, hammer. Both you can see dragonfly doji or hammer. This is hammer, and market went up. And here it's too big, but to show it's very nice. See, it will liquidity sweep when it will close. So in this, what I'll do, this is event, something, it will be like event, but it should be nearby, then only we can take the trade. If you're taking the trade, we cannot keep our stop loss above this. And this is very nice. You can see this. It will go and it will come back, it will close here. Immediately I'll take the short position, I'll keep my stop loss above that. And you know that our DP will be same thing here. If it should be, the direction should be correct. And you can see here this candle, gravestone doji. It will take it to, yeah, this very nice. And I'll show you here. See this opening market, many people they don't trade at this time, but this you can see this is inverted hammer. So I was telling, right, the small wick we can see this is the small wick. So what I showed you there, I'll show 1 second. I told you shooting star candlestick. There is no wick below this, correct? If you see wick this, it means inverted hammer. See, this is inverted hammer, no use. It should be near trend X. Always I'll be. It should be near X. But if you are not taking here, and you can see the market. We have some zone here. So market like it made one zone, right? So if you see nearby any rejection, go for a short. Simple. You should take that. See, if market is coming back again here, it's struggling here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, but you got this candle, correct? But here you like your stop loss will be very small above this candle, because if market hit your stop loss, if it's going here, then you can try from here. If not, if you can try from again here, correct? In this way you have to plan. And this all, so last week I told this all should, what we are talking about, the candlestick pattern, trend X, what all we should trade only when we'll get narrow X. In wide X we won't trade, we won't see any trades, because only sometimes you will get good movement. So most of it will be in sideways, right? So only the candles will work in narrow X. Yeah, please, sir.
Are you able to use another indicator right now?
No, this MACD.
Yeah, if you use the indicator from Lux Algo, which is called swing high and lows and candle patterns.
Okay.
So Lux Algo.
I should shall I search which indicator, sir?
Yes, please. Lux Algo, LUX, without the M.
LUX,
yes.
Lux ILGO, Lux Algo.
Yes, and then it's called swing high, lows, and candle patterns.
This.
Yes, that one.
Oh my God, 10,000 people are using this.
If you can use that one, you can see all the shooting stars and the hammers and everything else. If you are able to put that on the NACA chart.
Okay.
We had the NACA chart, you know, the NAKA chart before.
Shall I add one more indicator?
Oh, why not?
1 second. Because this is new for me. Like, yeah, tell me, sir, which one? Which indicator, sir?
What are you asking me?
Yeah. I add only
No,
one
no,
indicator.
No. If you take the NACA chart, the NAKA USDT chart.
Okay, you are saying chart name. Okay.
With this indicator.
Please, tell me chart. I mean, can you spell me, sir?
Have you got the bloody radio on? Could you turn it off?
Sorry, what's happening?
Someone's got the radio on. Could you turn the radio off?
Yeah, I don't know who it is, but it's not me.
I know.
Pramod, can you go back to NACA chart, NAKA, which you are showing?
Yeah, please help me. NAK?
NAKA.
Okay.
USDT.
USDT dot P.
No, dot P is not there for it, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Which should I take?
It doesn't matter. Bybit is okay.
Bybit you can take, yes.
Okay.
You don't need no friends. Get back your faith again.
Hey, artist, can you mute yourself, please? We hear your radio in the background. Thank you.
And then if you're gonna take a look at the inverted hammer, the shooting star, and the resistance zones and the pivot zones, it's looking like pretty good on this chart.
Yes.
And now I will unmute myself, or I
Okay.
will mute myself. Thanks, Pramod.
Yeah, my pleasure, sir. Yes, you can see these candles like. So in this chart, we can see very nice, but in some chart like what we trade, we won't see all these candles. Here it's very clear. So you can use this indicator. So many people, like even I'll be teaching for my friends, they'll be like suggesting me all indicators. I have so many indicators. I never tried this. So everyone they'll be sending, I'll just use those and I'll check them. Sir, I am getting disturbed here. 1 second.
Or can you throw that person off, please?
Yes. So this, yeah, you can see here. So you all like try this indicator. So first, like you can see they are mentioning shooting star for this candle, and this is higher and also okay. So you can see here we have candles. Same thing I told you, right? This candle, see it's coming here. So what I'll post this candlestick PDF there. You please only if there are 4 candles, you try there. You can see here we got this hammer and market reverse. I trust me. I immediately take all when I see all this. Immediately I take only like hardly stop loss will be very small, right? Why should we like worry today? Just I'll take my small entry. I'll keep my stop loss here and I'll go for the trade. And when I'll get some profit, definitely I'll take some profit and I'll keep break even. So today also I told when you see the profit, please use break even. So in this way you can see we see when you will get confirmation, right? I'll mention new thing here, like when if assume that you are taking trade here, okay? If market is here only, you wait for stop loss, but don't close your trade. Let it hit your stop loss, because what will happen? So like assume that you took trade here or here, okay? If you take trade here, market let it take your stop loss, but you should be on the trade. If you are in right direction, market will sometime it will take 2-3 hours to go. So one when you see breakout, recent low breakout, you will get confirmed that market will go down. So to break out, it will take more time. It will like 2-3 hours. When you'll get breakout, then you take your 50% whatever you want to profit. Then you have to keep break even. So you don't like when market is coming down here again, it's coming back. Then if you close the trade after 1-2 hour, it will come back. So today same thing happened here with what this pair. So it will test your patience. But definitely we should be on the trade. Let it be, I'll take my stop loss, but definitely I'll hold my trade. Assume that if you're taking your trade here, you should take your stop loss. If you're taking your trade, so you know that first TP is this and second TP is this. But you should wait your stop loss. You should not like no. Let it be. If I'm getting small profit, I'll get out. No. You don't do that mistake. You be on trade. Because see, especially what I am posting here, the charts, trust me, I see many things before giving. I like blindly, I don't give that this is narrow, okay, let it give them. No, I know what to see before posting the chart. You go and back, you can check all my charts. You will see many TP on it. Yesterday I told this trade, you try in this, and I maybe this. Yes, not this. I forgot that. I told that, okay. I told market will go down. We have inside X, but today market got melted. So I was expecting yesterday that I was expecting yesterday, but I don't know why it happened. But today it melted. So the point is, if I'm telling you market today, it can give you good trade. If it's not giving, please next day you should try same. 1 second, sir. I don't know why it's happening this way. You can see in my chart, right, sir? It's visible, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So, okay, this and I'll show you candles. See, we are below the weekly, correct? We are below the weekly. So every day we look short opportunities. And always I'll tell you, we should look from R1. Every time market will do same pattern. This is like market like this, especially trading. What's happening? I like 5 years I have experience in chart. I'm reading. I saw many charts. So same thing in everywhere. They have one system. They have to run in same way. They cannot manipulate every time. Sometimes it will happen. Sometimes it will take your stop loss. But if you are in right direction, right like good trade, then you are taking with all confirmation. Then you should hold your trade. So I saw many people, they are holding very nice. We need that. You see, you can see here below weekly it's coming from R1. Again next day it's like next day it's coming from R1. So this trade return again today is coming from R1. Maybe it can go still, it can go till here, but every day we are getting narrows. That is very good thing here. So what I suggest everyone, when you take the trade, you close your half profit here and rest you hold. when it reach when it reach here, you have to close again 30%. So 20% you have to hold. So again if you get break even, wait for next confirmation, again you have to take same trade. You have to close here 50%. When it reach here, you have to close again 30%. So in this way I'll trade. Sometimes what will happen, this trade it will be swing trade. So that assume that market is closing somewhere here, next day again it will fall. So your trade will be running in very good profit. So you plan in this way. Like, see, if this market came here down, right? If market is crossing this, then we are not looking any short position, we'll just leave. So that reason I'm giving you two tokens there. Like at least you will get good trade there. Our stop loss will be very small and reward is very big. See, you can take one stop loss, two stop loss, but if you keep on trying, you'll understand what to do. Like, okay, this week I look only short position in this coin. So very simple. There is, like, I'll show you in this weekly chart. So yesterday what I mentioned, you can see I told we need closing below this closing, because already on Wednesday we got one low here. So after seeing this candle, when I saw next day, again I told go for a short position. Again we got TP. So on Friday, like, I mean today it went up, again we get drop. So if it candle closed below this, tomorrow again you go for a short position. So now only I'm telling you, if you see any candle closing here only, next day you'll see this. You see your daily trend X somewhere here. It will tap, or sometimes it will fall from here only. You see any candle confirmation nearby this, go for a short, because that it can come till here. It can come because still we are very near to weekly X, and weekly X is super narrow and weekly X is inside X. We have so many we have so many confirmation here that, trust me, it can give you very good profit. But use your risk management, money management properly, and follow the trend. If you see tomorrow huge big candle green, just forget this. That's just you just leave, don't take any trade. But after seeing this bearish engulf, you can see morning it took like 10, 12 hours to go. But within 2 hours it came back. Means sellers are present here. They're dominating the market, they are pushing down. So tomorrow morning, if you see any breakout, or today night, if you see any breakout, next day market will go here, it will tap from, it will fall from here. Tomorrow maybe your resistance will be this. Tomorrow maybe your resistance will be this. Yes, this. Okay, if you see any closing today night, if you see any closing here, next day will come till here, and if you see any daily X here, then confirm that market will come down. But we should try at least. If it's going up, then nothing we can do, but we should try, because we are getting breakout from last 3 days, market struggling to go down. But uh, if market is coming same place, support or resistance, the support will become weak. Correct, this support, like you can see one, there are three, this is third time, so it means it will become very weak, that support will become weak. After this crossing, it will act like a resistance. So here, don't look 1 hour chart or weekly, just focus on daily, you will get very clear there. So like what we have to do, so we should wait to close the market here only. So once it close below this, somewhere here, that confirm tomorrow our pivot will be somewhere here. So what will happen, it will go here. If you see any confirmation, go for a short, it will drop. I'm so expecting this, but let's see what will happen. You please keep, because all many other coins I saw all TP heated, like some coins reached already weekly R2 support, S2. So only this coin which we have selected, only this coin is still struggling to go down. So I'm expecting immediately drop in this tomorrow. Don't get panic immediately, don't go for a short. Confirmation, wait, you will get trade. So you can see below weekly, like we are below weekly, right? So every day we are getting short. If I'm not giving any trade in this, but at least you should try for at least scalp. So why I'm not giving you on, like yesterday here, like on Wednesday, it was wide. So I didn't give any, I don't tell anyone to take short. You can see it will be very confusion. But if you know scalping, you know that we are below this, everything, you know, you can try at least small lot size. See this candle, shooting star. This is shooting star. There is no wick below, and market came down. It before coming down, market will give you confirmation. This is evening star on top, middle pivot. This all, when you can take the trades, you should sit front of the computer. Then only you can see all those candles and real, like you'll get good trades. This you can see, it came down, right, and TP got it. So because like here it's struggling one time, so we got Monday, Tuesday, right? Correct. Tuesday we got, it was wide, but still it was in range. Finally it got breakout. Tuesday was wide. Wednesday we got this. Thursday we got this trade. So again it came back. So today we got this trade. So these trades, please you just, like you just think, if you are in this trade, how much profit you will get, so much you are losing. So why I'll talk always about a candlestick pattern, you will be the, like your trade will be on top or bottom, you won't be in middle somewhere here, you will be in top. You know, right, you know that we are below the weekly and we should take a short position from previous day high or R1. See, this is the trade. So morning itself, when I see I see this type of this, I know market either will come down, it will go up. Here we should not. Here you can see market. So market closed below this. Correct. If you are taking short position, if your stop loss is no problem, you have to take from here. But I told you previous session, before closing market, if you see any demand or supply, you have to mark. So when I posted this chart, I marked this. I marked this zone and I gave you. I know this is like this is you can say this is manipulate. So if you are taking your trade here, assume that if you are taking your trade here, after seeing this big green candle, immediately you have to close your trade. Because this is bullish engulfing. No need to wait for your stop loss. So it will happen sometimes. But you can see we have rejections here, correct? So so when like 9:30, this is for Indian timing 9:30. I didn't post any chart. I didn't post this. I know that it will be manipulated. Let's wait. I marked this zone and I was waiting. If it this close, I was telling go for a short immediately. Take stop. Keep your stop loss. But when I saw the return again, I was waiting to come back. So I was assuming like what I was thinking. It will act like resistance here. It will come back. When it will come back, I'll tell go for. Yeah, anyone like yes. Hello. You want to ask something? Yeah, please. Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Then I would like to ask a question, if I may.
Yes, please ask.
Could we use the next day pivot in this case to anticipate the movement over the night?
Sorry?
Can we use the next day pivot?
No, sir. See, if I use next day pivot, I'll tell you. I like see this is next day pivot. Until market close, we cannot decide that this is the final pivot. If assume that market is coming down, pivot will start coming down. We cannot use next day pivot in real market. After closing the market only we can use that. If I use that, if assume that if market is coming down, this pivot will also come down. If market is going up, the pivot will start going up. So we cannot use that in real market. This is like if market closed here, the pivot will next day pivot you will be here. If markets come down, the pivot will automatically come down.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, sir. You don't use this. Yeah.
Pramod,
Yes, sir.
Can
Tell
you
me,
go-
sir.
can you go back to SKL?
SK, yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, now just go to the 15-minute.
Okay.
Just for underneath the 5-minute, but I just want to ask you something. Is that
Okay.
a morning star that happened there?
This, yes. See, here I'll tell you what morning star candle. This is evening star. This is morning star.
Yes. So
This is
now
morning star. Yes.
now would you have looked at that as a possible? I know it's counter trend. I know you're below the weekly, but would you have looked at that as a possible? Because on the 1 hour there's a order block and it's bounced just off the order block. If you go to the 1 hour,
Okay.
you can stay there. Yeah, okay.
I'll check.
The 1 hour, yeah. And then is that a order block at the bottom?
You are talking about this order block?
Yes. No, next one.
Below
Okay,
this,
well,
this green color.
that one. Yeah. Yes, you'll see it's just tapped it. And then now you go back to the 15-minute.
1 second, I'll check 1 second.
Okay.
We got this breakout and
Okay.
okay, I'll come in. I came in 15 minutes. We got this high and here on breakout, and we got this breakout here. Yeah, this is order block, and we got we have confirmation here. This is morning star, correct? This is morning star, and if you want to take trade, go like a small trade. 1 second, sir. Let me check in 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I believe in a big, like bigger time frame for this. 1 second.
I know I'm going the other way, but it's just interesting. It just seemed, it's just looked interesting when I saw that.
No, mark 1 second, sir. Because before, like, if you are seeing any chart, like we have to see from higher time frame, then only we'll get clear. So next, what we can do
Okay.
here? Yeah, daily time frame. Sir, we are 1 second. This is bullish. We didn't get any candle close above this. This is continuation, and this we got confirm. 1 second, sir.
No problem.
This is here. Body is here. We got close. Okay, this is D1 H4. H4 we got breakout here. Let's just look character actively. Chain of character, and we got breakout structure. And this got we got this. This is last bearish candle. This is like breakout structure. Okay, and market and this is your order block. This is in H4. In H1
Okay.
you got same thing here. This is internal structure after like where is the last bearish candle, and this is last bearish candle. We got a confirmation, and this we got here again breakout structure. The market is no, sir, market is coming literally from supply zone. You can take, see, I'll explain you later, but if you see the 1 hour, this is internal structure what you are seeing. 1 second, I'll just remove this. You know, like if you're talking about smart money, then if this is internal structure what you are seeing, all this, the major is H4 what we got breakout here.
Okay.
I'll show you. Yeah, major is we can see. See, this is last bearish candle. Okay, this is our last bearish candle. This above this we got any candle closing here? Yes, we got this. You can see multiple candles we got. So this is confirmed, that is this is high. Did low break? We got breakout here. And which is our demand zone? And this is our demand zone. If you come in 1 hour, same thing. If you come, you start drawing this.
Okay.
So where is our, yeah, this is our, 1 second, this is our major low, and we got breakout. And which is supply? This is supply. And
Okay.
market came from supply. Now you can see we got inverted hammer.
Mm.
And you can, if you want to take long position, you can scalp. That's it. It's market in this. You can see new low now. There are most possible. We can see new low in coming days. So if market tomorrow, like next week, if market comes and close below here candle, so immediately if you see any, like if you see in this way, again market will structure shift, then market will reverse, market will come down, and market will start now going up in this way. So now completely is bearish. Better look only short position. Order.
Your screen's
See.
gone,
You lost your
Pramod.
screen share, Pramod.
The screen.
Oh, one
You
second.
lost your screen share.
Okay, sir. I'll.
No problem.
Yes. Sir, so you was looking order block, right? You should look order blocks with trend. Why are looking opposite direction? You should look selling opportunity, right? You should look order block like for short, not for long. Trust me,
Okay.
yeah. See, I know smart money. I know like there are like many other different types of smart money. So which I learned smart money. I'm very like I'll come from weekly, daily, H4, H1. Finally, from H1 to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll skip.
Okay.
Yes. I'll start from here. I'll start from here. I'll come till here. But these two I'll skip. Because
Okay.
I don't want to because weekly what we are seeing weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, H4 is bullish, H1 is bearish. Then 5 minutes I look only bearish. I mean short opportunities. The main
Repeat that last bit again.
see if weekly I'll show in my chart.
Okay, no problem.
I'll show you right now like what I am doing in my in gold. So this is super bullish in all time frames. Monthly, weekly, daily, H4. Only H1 was in bearish. Okay, H1 only was bearish. So I was looking short because we were below the weekly. So I was looking short opportunities. Suddenly market closed above here, and next day I started looking bullish again. The reason the weekly, daily H4, the bigger time frames is bullish. So in
Yeah.
your case, all time frames are bearish.
Okay.
So there is no point looking order blocks in opposite direction.
I understand.
Yes. Because if you're talking about order block, then definitely order block is for smart money people who they trade in smart money. They'll talk about order block. But I think we should follow the trend. Then only see reversal trade you can trade if you understand. You can
Okay.
take not an issue, but I don't suggest for beginners. If you are like if you know the trading, then you can go, but don't look 15 minutes, sir. It will take you a big loss, like a big stop loss. 5 minutes is good for you. You will get small stop loss and entry will be very nice. See, this was like here you go like this is not a morning star, but still you can consider this. You have bullish candle here because we need bearish candle. We have wick here. So if you take the
Yeah,
trade, at least you was getting scalping trades.
I see. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, sir. My pleasure. Yes, I'll show. Yeah. So last week, like we was talking, right? Below weekly look only short positions. See, the reversal trade. You don't think that reversal trade we are missing? I'll show you in BTC. BTC USDT. Sorry, I have like 4 different computers. This computer is new for me, so I'm little getting confused here. Yeah, in this case, I don't look any long short positions because this is wide. People are like they are talking market is falling, huge dump, nothing. Market is still inside the X. You can see here. So the day one we'll come to know whether we should trade this coin or no. So I was not posting. You can see this week I didn't post any trade about BTC. I told just I was telling we'll if I get any confirmation I'll tell you because I don't want to trap you in this. We know that we won't get any trades. This you can see Market is inside this every day. So what should I give? What shall I tell you? Because there are many chances we can see the stop loss. So next week you will get good trades. We'll wait for a new fresh week. Then reversal trade, I was talking about reversal trade. See, once market reach these kind of TP, like used drop, so if market is going up, then you should not look opposite direction. So when you learn this completely about trend X, then you can try. If you come in 5 minutes, you'll come to know how to trade with trend X in 5 minutes. You will come to know. So for now, if you are beginner, you just focus, follow the trend. You just need to know that okay, I should follow the trend. I'll do that. See, you can see like from Monday. Okay, only Monday we got this drop, and next day you can see the completely range. Market is going up, down, coming some. So only in late night, like I am for me, the late night I saw this drop. Again, next day it's going long without like we don't know anything. That every day we are getting wide X. But if you talk about confirmation, the bullish what signal, what I'm telling, we are getting here. We are getting here bullish. You see, you can see. This is morning star. This is hammer. So I'm not showing you hammer somewhere middle. Exactly where we want to see. We should look there only. See, if you are not taking here after closing this bullish, we can go for a long. Keep your stop loss below this, and our TP is this. So wherever you see the your TP, wherever you are see the take profit R1, S1, whatever you see, if you see profit just close for a few days. First, you have to learn this. This is very easy. So in this way you have to. So if we got this drop, that's it. Nothing. It market can go back again. We got here something beautiful candle. You can see this huge big hammer. So why I am not suggesting you to take the trade? This is wide X in weekly and even daily. So no point to trade in this. If you take the trade again, you can take your stop loss. Maybe you can take your stop loss. So there is no point seeing in that. So let's see in this chart. So because I want to show you confirmation. So candles really works. If you see in real market, really works. You can see anywhere, any candles. You can see this candle. See, this is shooting star candle. This is hammer. This is bearish engulfing. You can see this is bearish engulfing, and you come again. Let's see. This is the this 1 second. You see here. Evening star, so beautiful, it made very bullish candle, small doji and red candle. Take your trade here, keep your stop loss. Done. Before coming down or going up, market definitely will give you the confirmation. Sometimes it will happen in this way here, but your stop loss is above this. You know, we have already one high. So you have to wait for your stop loss because you are in right direction. And you was waiting from 2 hours to market to come here, and finally market came there. We cannot expect that market is coming easily and it will come back. It will make you wait. So finally you will get your profit. This should be like, it happens many times for me. It will check your patience. Seriously, you like, I'll show in my case what every day was happening. I didn't get any good trades every day. I was waiting, and you can see with 1 hour or 1 second. So you can see this is weekly. You can see weekly, right? You can see this. By seeing this only, you can understand the complete week market was sideways. Finally, we got breakout. market start pumping. So on yesterday we got very good trade here. I'll show you what we did. So what I did yesterday, I'll come in daily. Okay, this is I'll just switch off the weekly. So you come in daily, you can see here. So morning I tried here. Okay, morning I tried here. After closing above this, I took the trade here. I don't see any candle confirmation here because candle confirmation will be the near bottom or above, like on top. Only there we'll consider candle confirmation. Here no candle confirmation, just blindly I'll take the trade above the X because we are below the weekly, above the weekly. So after closing this candle, yes, perfect, this candle, after closing this candle I took the trade and my stop loss below this. You know why? The market was in range, we got breakout here, and I was confirmed that after giving breakout market cannot come below this. If market is coming back, then market again it will reverse. So I don't take my big stop loss. I was like, I took my long positions after closing this candle, and my TP was this, my stop loss was this, and I was holding. I got my TP, I closed some profit and I was holding. Again it came back, I don't know why it came back. Again I didn't take any trade here. I didn't take because this is not the session that which we try to take. I was waiting for a New York session. So finally we got New York session here. This is New York session. This market suddenly like dropped here. So here we took another trade. This trade after closing this candle. I took my stop loss very small. After closing this candle, I took the trade. My stop loss was below this because we already got one low after closing this candle. And when it came here, I closed my 50%. I was holding. So after coming here, we closed again 30%. Again now we are holding. It's going. You can see. So next day today we didn't get any trade. After crossing yesterday high, market started running here. Before only like day one, I was knowing that market will go either. I'll show you. In your case also, you can judge that. See, the last week what happened? We didn't get two weekly TPs. We got only one. So it means next week I can get at least 2-3 TP. I was knowing that market can go till here or it will come down because it was ranging. I was waiting for a breakout. So finally the TP got hit. You can see TP hit. So we close the trades because for again we have like tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday, the market will be closed in Forex. So I close all trades. I'll wait for next week. Maybe next week the trend X will be somewhere here. Now let us check where it will be. Why to next week. Okay. So again I look long positions now. Let it go. The point is because of I'll show you what mistake I was doing before. 1 second, sorry. See here, always I'll be telling above the weekly look only long positions, correct? You can see here results. So because of these red candles, I can if I'm not using this, what a normal person can think? Market can go down. What is like what maybe he can do this, he'll mark in this way. I look only short positions here. When it will come here, I'll go for a short. If you do in reverse, so I know that we are above the weekly. So whenever I'll get opportunities in daily X, definitely I'll try. Everyone should try. And market definitely it will give you good profit if you follow the weekly X. Weekly X always should be narrow. Sir, one more thing I'll tell you. Assume that. Sorry, ma'am. Okay.
Sorry. I muted by mistake. Sorry.
No problem. So always, you please everyone, you remember, if trend X is narrow, the complete week you will be getting good trades. So you have to stick on that. That's it. Monday, if you are not getting, no problem. Tuesday, Wednesday, you will get the Monday, Tuesday profit. You will get Wednesday itself. You have multiple option in your crypto. If I see morning, when I see a narrow list, it will be so much confusion for me. I don't know select. It will take me 2 hours to select. So you try to understand what I'm going to tell. So you should not like focus on daily X. You should focus on weekly X. On that basis, every week you have to take the trades. You have to stick. Like if I'm telling you try this TO like Tommy USDT, you have to leave all your other coins. You have to stick on this. So definitely you will get trades. Because so every time I'll keep telling, if you focus on one chart you will get very good trades, because this is weekly insight, correct? So I'm expecting that it can fall. If market if market tomorrow, if it's not getting you short opportunity, no problem, but at least you are trying something, right? You please, you do that. Always follow the trend X. You will get very good results, and you'll be amazed after seeing the profits. So in my case, what I am trading in this pair, I'll show you again. So this pair, it's very easy. You can see, sir, it's very easy. Below this, so every day I was trying for a short. I was getting something. I took many break even hits, but I was closing in good profit. So next week I was expecting good trades. I will get good profits. If I'm getting a short opportunity, then only I'll try. After seeing all these huge big candles, next day again we got trade. So next week immediately we are above the weekly. I started looking long positions. So Monday I tried. I'll show in 5 minutes how I was in confusion. I'll show. Even I'll sometimes I'll get confusion what to do, but I'll try. Seriously, I'll try to like I don't get panic, and I don't take immediately decisions. You can see this is Monday. We was below weekly and daily. So if I was seeing this, I was going for a shot. But luckily I was sleeping at this time. This was like 4:30 a.m. So when I got up, market was here. I thought, oh, market like above the weekly now. I look only. So this, I took the trade somewhere here. I got profit. Next day we didn't get any. I told last Tuesday. I took here. I got break even hit. So finally I somehow I took the profit. And next day, so what is our rules? If you are above the weekly, we should take near R1 or PDH. I took trade from here. I took, but I was expecting it will go. It was like coming back from daily X. So next day, same thing here. You can see. So I tried here long position. I got, so I mean yesterday. So I was trying here. We was again deep this break even hit. So in this way, I was very, if market is coming down in this way, I don't go for a short. You should also not do that mistake, because the trend X is you giving the clear direction that candles are below the weekly, and I look only short positions. And monthly and all, I'll clear you very like in messages. The people will ask me we are above the monthly, but candles are below the weekly. For that is the reason I don't recommend monthly here. So monthly, the part and all, we'll think about after 6 months. First, we'll try basics. That is very advanced. I think we don't want that to learn so early, because in crypto, recently, like 4 5 years before, I am seeing like this very new for market, right? We cannot see so quick in changes in that. So weekly, daily is sufficient for you. So I recommend only weekly, daily, monthly and all. First you learn everything about Trendex. When you will be very, like you will be perfect in this. Okay, I know what to do here. Then you start looking monthly. For now, don't look monthly candles because trend change from smaller time frame, not bigger time frame. This you should always remember. Monthly candle will not tell you that market will reverse now. Market will tell you from 5 minutes only that market will reverse. That 5 minutes trade only will become your swing trade. This always you remember. 1 hour, 1 month candle will not decide that trend will reverse. The 5 minutes will start, will enter in the market in 5 minutes basis. It can convert in future into their swing trades. So here, if you, I'll show you monthly candles here. So what is my point? If we should not be like many doubts. If you have now, I'm not talking about you guys. I'll tell if we have many doubts, right? When we'll going to learn trades, when we are going to make profit. If you keep on asking doubts, simple. Every time I'm telling weekly, daily. That's it. See, we was below monthly candles. Should I look short or long? You decide. You people decide now. What should I do? Should I go for 4 hours chart, 4 hours time frame? Okay, now what should I do? I am inside the monthly candle, so I should wait every day to come out either here or. So simple. If you go in weekly, you'll get very clear. We are above the weekly, no need to see monthly. Done. So and I'll show you. I'm sorry, again I'll show you. Okay, the previous month, please you look the previous month. Okay, you can see previous month, this month. So we are above the on monthly, correct? I should look only long positions now, correct? I should only long positions here in 1 hour. So I'm missing this profit. This is huge. This is like 400 600 pips for me. Like if I'm going very small trade, I can earn $80 $90 $100 maybe. So if I come weekly, the complete 3 weeks I was earning money. So easy. See, here I took short positions. I was taking short positions here. I took short positions here. The monthly will make you confused. So for everyone, I'm telling, don't look any monthly for now. First, we learn basics in weekly, daily. Then when you will get everything, okay, I can understand what is trend X. Then you move to bigger time frame with big profits, like swing trades and all. That time we can think about that. The reason, same thing, like we are going to miss big trades. This is like huge for me, even for you also. This is huge, right? Because of this monthly, I was missing all this. Weekly is very clear. Weekly is bigger time frame. Like we are looking in 1 hour. 1 hour is big time frame. H4 D1 12 hours. That is again different story. But I trust 1 hour 5 minutes. So in smart money, what they'll teach you, if you are seeing 4 hours chart, then you should look your trade in 15 minutes. If you are seeing 1 hour chart, then you should search 5 minutes trades. Same thing applies to in Trendex also. If you are seeing a candle in 1 hour here in Trendex, we should take trade in 5 minutes. If you wait for 15 minutes, you will miss the trades. Now assume that in 5 minutes, if your trade is, if 5 minutes, if you are getting trade here, then 15 minutes you'll get trade here. So that is the reason I am 5 minutes is the best time frame for intraday trend X. This you can see. I'll show you. So many people will be asking about 200. Again, I'll tell you. So below 200, we was like below 200 and weekly trend X, and market was coming down. So market took resistance so beautifully. See here. Without 200, I was not getting any confirmation here. But with the 200, I got. And I got evening star here. Double doji evening star. And I took the shot. So always I'll tell 200 will work as dynamic resistance and support work. You can see here, here, here. Finally, we got breakout 200 and trend X. The trend got confirmed that market is going to long position. So market was struggling every day. Finally, we got this breakout. When I saw this breakout, so I was happy that market will get very good move. So market started going. And the 200 moving average use only in 1 hour, 5 minutes. There is, I'll clear you. There is like no way that if you are taking above the 200 moving average, no. We are not taking any long positions above 200 or taking short positions below 200. This is to confirm the trend. Where is the market? We are above the 200 or below the 200. If we are above the 200, then definitely candles will below the weekly X. In this way, I'll use. You can see here, candles are below this fourth, right, and market was coming down. And you can see market before giving sell opportunity, market started ranging in R1 to trend X. Finally, we got breakout and suddenly drop. So next week, I was confirmed that market will drop again. So it took support and market closed somewhere here and it's dropped. So same week, market closed above the 200 and weekly, market started going up. In this way, I use 200 EMA. That's it. There is no buy sell signal in 200. In this way, I'll use. You please all, before taking any trades, you make sure that where is the 200 moving average in 1 hour. Okay, if it can work as support and it can work as support resistance. So that is the reason I recommend 200 moving average. You can see I'm getting confirmation here, right? You can see. You have daily trend X, right? Daily trend X is the key for you. You know, you are very clear that okay, I am above it weekly. I look only long positions. You look only long positions, only long trades. When market will reach somewhere here, and then you should wait for breakout. If you are this, assume that this is Wednesday. Okay, this is Wednesday. Assume this is Wednesday. Wait for a next day. Let's see where market is closing tonight. If market is closing here, then your daily X will be somewhere here. It will tap this and it will continue. If market is coming back on same day, it's closing here, and your trend X will somewhere here, and again it will reverse. It can be reverse. In this way, you have to plan. So the main key is your daily X. If you are seeing like a narrow X in daily, that day you are trade, that day you are the day that you are going to make good profit. You should be very like, assume that you are trading in. So what I post, 1 second, if I post any coin, like example BTC, I tell that we look BTC only long positions. Like this is example, okay? If I'm looking, 1 second, yeah, we are going to looking only long position. So you should be aware that every day you have to see when we'll get narrow X. If you are not getting on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, definitely you will get narrow X and you will get good trades. and we have only two options, two only. Like if we are looking long position, our trade will be near R1 PDL or above the X, and that trade can go weekly R1. That you should be aware. Market can go near R1 because that is narrow X and we are above the weekly. So in this way we have to plan. So Monday is like you assume that Monday is daily X is very wide, no problem. Tuesday no moment, like no momentum, okay, no problem. Wednesday, if you are getting narrow and you know that we are above the weekly, start looking long positions. So that day it can like go like you just use same here. You can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was sideways. Finally Thursday, I mean yesterday, you can see this, but I didn't lose my hope. I was waiting for this day because we are above the weekly, and I definitely look long a long trade, and my TP was 40. My TP was 2340 because this was a weekly R1, and exactly weekly R1 it came back and it reversed same day night market closed here. So when I saw this, we close above the weekly R1, the next TP is weekly R2, and weekly R2 also TP hit now. Yes, I'll show you 1 second. Yeah, you can see here. So Monday I was like, okay, I made some profit. Tuesday, okay, like scalping. Wednesday, Thursday, finally we got this trade, but market closed above weekly R1 and previous week high. That is for me confirm that next day will go and TP will definitely hit. TPC you can see within 1 day we got this move and exactly TP hit it. Why should I look short positions here? The how I'll get confirmation in daily X. Daily X is the key for me. Weekly I know that bullish. So the 5 minutes is the main. So the 5 minutes in daily X I'll be waiting to come near zone. I'll wait my candlestick pattern. We have three things to do. We have to see where is the daily X. If daily X market is coming there, I look candlestick pattern. Any candles I look, I'll just go for the trade. And third thing I'll do, when I'll reach some good profit, I'll take some profit, I'll keep break even. Every time I'll keep my break even. Every single time I'll take 50% profit. I don't keep all my positions I don't hold because already we crossed R1. So this is the like 50% chances can go till here, but finally we got this TP. Market will close somewhere here. So next week again definitely I look for a long. In this way you have to plan, sir. This is the beauty of Trendex. No manipulation, nothing, no stop loss. If you are very clear with Trendex in 5 minutes, you can make good profit. Just patience. If market is in range, wait for next day. Somewhere will give breakout above this or below this. So you have daily X to take the trades, and with daily X you can take the trade. Yes, I'm done, sir.
Sorry, Pramod, one question.
Please ask me, sir.
Yeah, this trade you just described on gold, did you take them in 1 hour or in 5 minutes? I'm confused.
5 minutes, or 5 minutes, 5 minutes, yes.
Because R1 for 5 minutes will be in the daily is different from R1 in the weekly, right? But you keep on saying we reach R1 in the weekly, so we are good to take profit, but you take your trades in the 5 minutes, where the resistance and support are different.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Weekly R1 that I know, weekly R1 is near 2340 price. Okay, this price. I know that weekly R1 is here, but which I am holding, the always I'll be holding the trade, right? I am supposed to close here. I'll try to close there. When I'll take my profit, I'll be knowing that if market reach 2340, I'll close again 30%. So every day I look for weekly R1. If weekly R1 hit and close above that, next day my target will be R2. So directly my trade will be not for R2. In this way, I'll plan, sir. Yes. Any other questions?
So you're not closing all your position when you hit your take profit in daily. You leave some to run for the next day. Is that what you're saying?
Correct.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Every single trade I'll hold, sir. Every time,
Oh.
whenever see I took this trade,
Mm.
I got break even hit. But what to do, because market was inside market was in a range. I took this trade. Okay, I'll show you how I take the trades. So when I got this take profit, I immediately post that I got profit and my break even is done in this way. We have to make in this way, right? My break even. This is it. It means break even. I kept for my break even. I got break even hit, no problem. I was waiting for US session. I mean New York session. I was waiting for that. I got this. We got one same event suddenly dropped, and I got confirmation. So I was believing that this trade it can go now 40. The reason it break all previous high, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the all high it came and candle close above this. So now maybe some like sir told like order block. This is the order block. This is the order block for me because we have trend X, right? This is order block and I got confirmation. I took again trade. So I was so confirmed that this trade will go now. So immediately market started running crazy, like you can see this. And trust me, this is huge for us.
But do you take profit on R1, R2, R3 here in the daily?
First
you took the
TP
trade.
always,
You took the trade down below. You said at like 7 p.m. Do you take profit on the way up, or you let it run according to the until it reach R1 on the weekly?
I'll tell you, sir. So this
Okay.
trade, my TP was this because this is not a good session to trade for us. This is like for us Asian session. So Asian session, especially we don't get good volume. And again, this is what this move you are seeing. This is UK session. So in UK session market dropped and it was in range. So finally in New York session we got this move. Correct? This we for only in forex people they try to trade only in US session. So on in US session we'll get very good move. So when I got this drop, I saw this candlestick pattern, immediately I took the trade. It on the particular time we'll get confirmation. So in other sessions, whenever this is our first TP, or whenever I'll try to take above the trend X, this is my first TP. So that is the reason I'll hold 50%. We doesn't know, right? Market can cross, it can go. It can go. So that for that reason, I'll try to hold some position at least, because I don't want to be like guilty after, like if I close somewhere here, so again market started going, then I'll feel very bad, like, oh, market is going now, what to do again? I cannot enter somewhere in middle. So that is the reason, no problem, I'll take break even, but always I'll try to hold my positions. And the candlestick what I was teaching, this you can see the before reversal, you got, you can see these candles, it will be like you reverse so beautifully, you will get confirmation before coming down. And what you are seeing, this is hammer, inverted hammer. So inverted hammer came back again, you get morning star, again inverted hammer, again you got hammer. You can see without confirmation market will not go up or come down. You will get confirmation before taking any trade. This is a bullish hammer. Market went very nice. You can see this evening star, it came down. So you everyone should learn candlestick pattern. Trust me, candles will give you good trades. You will understand very nice. Like, okay, the candles will give you the confirmation before taking any trades. And stop taking opposite like reversal trades. Reversal trades you should take when you learn trend X properly. If you learn trend X like completely, you know how to take trades. If when you will be confirm that can make profit with trend X, then try reversal. For now, don't try any reversal trades. Better go for like weekly. You just see the weekly, and daily X will help you the taking the trades. And here today what happened? Market didn't come near trend X. Just it crossed previous high. Definitely, I'll try to take trade here. I was waiting. I so like this bullish I saw. I was like, I cannot take trades suddenly here. My stop loss will be very big. I was waiting, no problem. But luckily it came back. So here definitely I'll try, and I took the trade here. I got this bullish hammer, so small stop loss. This is my second trade, like continuation trade. I'll go for my long, and our TP is absolutely this, and stop loss below this.
So
Recently
TP, let
low.
me rephrase. TP, when you take this trader, you set 50% of your TP at the R2 and you let the rest run. Huh?
Correct.
And you manage the rest dynamically according to what happens, what you see on the weekly as well. Huh?
Correct.
Okay.
I'll take my 50% here itself.
Yeah. And the rest manually, you will manage manually with what
Yes.
happens. Huh? Okay.
Correct. I'll
That's very
take
clear.
here. Yeah, but sometimes what will happen? So sometimes, not every time, sometimes it can come reverse from here only. But I'll try, sir. But I'll try to take profit full. See, because of this, like if I think market will reverse here, then every time same thing I'll start thinking and I'll close my position. But I no problem if market is coming back from here again. But I'll try. This is my first TP. For everyone should be, this is first TP. When it come here, I'll close my 50% because we I don't know that market whether it will go or it will come back. So luckily it started here. So when it come till second TP, I'll close 30% profit again. So only I'll hold 20%. That's it.
Okay.
20 or 15. That's it. So this is my continuation trade. This trade, it will take me. This trade can go still 2000. Like we have new high. I am expecting this in future 2500 in coming days. It can go. It can go 2500. I'm expecting that. Let's see if it's go then. This was my second TP, and now I am in break even. I'll wait. Let's see what will happen. So if the market close somewhere here next week, again I'll take trades. So my trade will be the continuation. Every trade I'll hold, try to hold. At least one trade I'll get swing trade, and it will give me very good profit.
You leave any trade open when you go to sleep, or you close everything?
I'll close today. I'll close because we reached all targets. We reached all targets, and I'll show you. We reach all targets, and we are. I'll show you. We are near all-time high. This is all-time high. So I don't want to hold anything. I'll just close everything. Next week, let's see. Market, suddenly it will drop very bad. I like, you can see here, I'll show in 1 hour, like with 4,000, 5,000 pips, it'll come very easily. This you can see. This drop, it's huge. Like the small trade will give me, see, 93 min 930 pips. If I take my very small minimum trade, if I take here, I'll get $100. So same thing, it can happen before sleep. So I don't take any risk. I'll just close because you know sleepage, right? Sometimes break even doesn't work. You remember this, sir? Sometimes break even doesn't work. That is the problem in sometimes in market that they tell this is sleepage. So for that reason, especially on weekends, I'll close because tomorrow and day after tomorrow market is closed in forex. Saturday, Sunday we have off. Yes. Done, sir. Let's close.
That's it for you, Pramod?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay, man. Stop your recording.
Yeah, sir. 1 second, sir. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. We'll meet in voice chat.
Yeah, as always, guys. I'm just taking my dog out. I will be there in about 6 minutes. So join us in the voice chat as always, and we'll have some impromptu Friday afternoon banter.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Pramod.
Thank you,
Have a good weekend,
Bagesh.
everybody.
Thanks.
Thank you. Take care. Good night.